everybody, this is Schneider with Keller Williams DTC. Welcome to my open house. I'm doing today between 1 and 4 at 1811 South Quebec Street, 137. This one's a great opportunity. Finally something affordable in Denver. This one's going for $335 with a very reasonable HOA. 2-bed, 2-bath. Come and take a look. So let's take a look at this wonderful place has to offer. We've got an old-fashioned wood-burning fireplace, a nice Denver relic filled with its original charm, spacious living room, new updated kitchen, 2-bed, 2-bath for 870 square feet, nice outdoor brand new Trex deck, beautiful shaded trees, tons of privacy, and get this, the best part, there's still affordable housing in Denver. $335,000 with a very reasonable HOA. Let's take a look at the upstairs. So to your right, we've got our master bed with an ensuite bath and a nice private office right here. It's surrounded by nice quiet trees, distraction-free, in-unit washer and dryer, and ready to be updated. Plenty of value to be had around here with lots of room for upgrades, centrally located. Great access to I-25, merely 15 minutes from Glendale and Cherry Creek. All of the features you could want. Plenty of access to the Highline Canal right by it. So come take a look for yourself. Tell me what you think. I'll be here from 1 to 4.